G'day, mate. I'm Bindi.
And I'm Savannah.
And welcome to the Baker Rainforest. Quietly, come with us to the dangerous but beautiful Baker Rainforest.
Oh, look, a specimen. Here we have the elusive grey elephant sloth. It's a really beautiful...
We forgot to tell you.
Elephant sloths are quite dangerous. Okay, here we are in the Baker Rainforest once again. We're going to be trying to find some seriously rare specimens. And wait, we're nearing the habitat of the Candy Mountain chimpanzee. Come quietly.
Look, there he is now. Shh, he's sleepy. This chimpanzee is known for its rare hot pink fur. Its very, very sweet character can make you want to touch it. But if you touch it, it will hurt you. Look, it's the rare Ichabod meerkat. What is it eating now?
She's eating turnips now.
Say goodbye to the rare Ichabod meerkat.
You're my favorite Ichabod.
Ichabod wins! Wow, look at these mesons. Mason?
Crikey, look at that moose. Oh, look how adorable. It's a lost dog.
Whenever you find a lost dog, make sure you call
1-800-RESCUE.
No, it's not. It's 1-800-RESCUE.
1-800-RESCUE. Yes, hello? We found a lost dog in the Baker Rainforest.
We'll be right there.
Crikey, that was fast. Crikey, it's hot. Oh, hello there.
Once again, I'm Sister Bindi.
And I'm Sister Savannah. I'd like to share a quick message on faith. We had faith that 1-800-RESCUE would rescue the little pup that we found, and they did.
Faith is good.
Once again, thanks for joining us on
the Baker Rainforest. G'day, mate. I'm Brinley. What is it? Everyone wave goodbye to the Ichabod meerkat.
You're my favorite Ichabod. You win. 1-800-RESCUE. Hello? Yes, we found a lost dog in the Baker Rainforest.
We'll be right there.
1-800-RESCUE. Yes, hello? We found a lost dog in the Baker Rainforest.
We'll be right there.
Bye. Crikey, it's hot. Oh, hello there. Crikey, it's hot. Oh, hello there.
Once again, I'm Sister Bindi.
And I'm Sister Savannah. I'd like to tell you all about faith. We had faith that 1-800-RESCUE would come and rescue the little pup that we found, and look, they did.